Hi, I'm Babak Giglu with Remax, and I want to thank you for taking the time to visit my profile. If you're thinking about selling your home, you deserve more than just someone who puts your property on the market. You need an agent who understands how to position, market, and negotiate to get you the best possible result. I specialize in helping homeowners throughout all five boroughs of New York, especially Brooklyn and Manhattan, navigate the selling process with confidence. My approach is simple: strong communication, aggressive marketing, professional presentation, and a strategy tailored specifically to your property. When working with sellers, I provide a complete marketing plan designed to maximize your property's value and exposure. This includes a detailed market analysis and pricing strategy, professional photography, listing preparation guidance, online marketing, social media advertising, and exposure across MLS and major real estate platforms where buyers are actively searching every day. Today's market is highly competitive and buyers are shopping online first. That's why presentation matters. High quality photos, strong listing descriptions, targeted marketing, and maximum visibility can make a major difference in attracting serious buyers and generating stronger offers. I also work proactively with buyers and maintain strong connections throughout the market, helping create additional exposure for my listings and increasing opportunities to attract qualified buyers who are ready to move forward. Whether you're selling a condo, co-op, townhouse, multifamily property, or single-family home, I work hard to make the process smooth, transparent, and stress-free from start to finish. When you work with me, you're not just getting an agent, you're getting someone who is responsive, dedicated, and committed to protecting your goals and maximizing your property's value through strong marketing, negotiation, and personalized service. If you're curious about your home's value, timing the market, or simply exploring your options, I'd be happy to have a conversation and provide a personalized strategy for your property. I look forward to connecting with you and helping you to make your next move successfully.